2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm teaching you guys how to play Runaway Train by Asylum. Classic 90s hit. Okay, not that much to it. The song is in C. It's more about the strumming on the right hand. Let's see, I don't think we have any bar chords, nope. So the verse is starts on C to B over A minor. So that's 2 on B string, first fret, and 2 on, first on B and 2 on A. From C you just go down half step like that to A minor. First, second, third, and then G major. That happens 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, B over A minor. A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, G. Let's do that one more time. C. F, actually, so we do have a bar chord if you want to play like that, but we can play F like this. First finger, second finger, third finger, pinky. So pre-chorus F to G, C, A minor, F, E minor, second finger, third finger to G, 1, 2, 3, chorus. C to E minor, A minor, G, one more time, and C, 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 E minor, E, 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 A minor. 1, 2, 3, verse. E over A, A minor, down, 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 up, down, G, C, B over A, A minor, to G, pre-chorus, F, G, C, C, C to A, F minor, E minor, G. Chords, come on. Cool. Thanks, folks, for checking in, and hope you had fun learning this song. I'll be back tomorrow with more great songs. Take it easy. Be safe.